Owning a home is a rewarding experience. It's a dream come true for many, offering a sense of stability and accomplishment. It's a place to call your own, build memories, and put down roots. Your home becomes a sanctuary, a place where life's most cherished moments unfold. But homeownership comes with responsibilities, and understanding the costs is crucial. From routine maintenance to unexpected repairs, the financial obligations can add up quickly. Before you sign on the dotted line, it's vital to know what expenses to expect. This knowledge can help you avoid surprises and plan your budget more effectively. This guide will break down the annual costs of homeownership. From mortgage payments to property taxes and unexpected repairs, we'll cover it all. We'll also touch on insurance, utilities, and other recurring expenses. Being informed about these costs will empower you to make sound financial decisions and enjoy your home for years to come. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can save you a lot of money and stress. Knowing your expenses up front helps you budget effectively. It allows you to allocate funds appropriately and ensure that you're not caught off guard by unexpected costs. It allows you to plan for the future and avoid financial surprises. Whether it's saving for a vacation, planning for retirement, or simply enjoying a night out, having a clear understanding of your financial obligations is key. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned homeowner, understanding these costs is essential for financial peace of mind. It ensures that your dream home remains a blessing, not a burden. So, let's dive into the details of annual homeownership expenses and equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. With the right information, you can navigate the financial landscape of homeownership with confidence and ease. Your mortgage payment is likely the most significant expense you'll face as a homeowner. It's a commitment that spans many years, often decades, and understanding its components is essential. It consists of two main parts: principal and interest. The principal is the amount you borrowed to buy your home, while the interest is what you pay the lender for the loan. Principal is the amount you borrowed to buy your home, while interest is what you pay the lender for the loan. Over time, as you make your monthly payments, the principal decreases, and so does the interest portion. Each month, a portion of your payment goes towards reducing your principal balance, and the rest covers the interest. Initially, a larger portion of your payment goes towards interest. But as the principal reduces, the interest portion decreases too. It's crucial to review your mortgage statement regularly. This helps ensure that your payments are being applied correctly and that there are no errors. Ensure the payments are being applied correctly and that you're aware of the remaining balance. Keeping track of your mortgage can help you plan better and make informed financial decisions. Understanding your mortgage payment is fundamental to managing your homeownership costs effectively. By staying informed and proactive, you can navigate your mortgage with confidence and ease. Property taxes are another significant expense for homeowners. These taxes vary depending on your location and are used to fund essential local services such as schools, roads, and emergency services. The amount you pay is based on the assessed value of your property, which is determined by your local government. It's essential to factor in property taxes when budgeting for your home. These taxes can fluctuate, so it's wise to stay informed about potential changes in your area. Understanding property taxes ensures you're financially prepared to meet this ongoing obligation. Homeowners insurance is crucial for protecting your investment. It provides financial coverage in case of unexpected events like fire, theft, or natural disasters. The cost of homeowners insurance varies depending on factors like your home's location, value, and the coverage you choose. When selecting a policy, it's essential to understand the coverage limits and deductibles. A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Choosing the right homeowner's insurance policy provides peace of mind, knowing you're protected from potential financial burdens. Section 5. Utility bills. Keeping your home running. Utility bills are a recurring expense that covers essential services like electricity, gas, water, sewer, and trash collection. The cost of these services can vary depending on your usage and local rates. Conserving energy and water can help you save money on your utility bills. Simple steps like turning off lights when you leave a room, using energy-efficient appliances, and fixing leaky faucets can make a significant difference over time. Section 6. Maintenance and repairs. Planning for the unexpected. Maintaining your home is essential for preserving its value and preventing costly repairs down the road. It's recommended to budget around 1 to 3% of your home's value annually for maintenance and repairs. Regular maintenance tasks include cleaning gutters, checking for leaks, and servicing your HVAC system. It's also wise to have a plan for unexpected repairs, like a leaky roof or a broken appliance. Setting aside funds for maintenance ensures you can address these issues promptly and avoid more significant expenses later on. Section 7. HOA fees, shared amenities, shared costs. If you live in a community with a homeowners association, or HOA, you'll be responsible for paying HOA fees. These fees cover the costs of maintaining shared amenities like swimming pools, landscaping, and security. HOA fees vary depending on the community and the amenities provided. It's essential to understand what your HOA fees cover and how they are calculated. These fees contribute to the upkeep and value of your community. Pest control is essential for protecting your home from unwanted critters that can cause damage and pose health risks. Regular pest control treatments can help prevent infestations and keep your home pest-free. The cost of pest control varies depending on the type of treatment and the size of your home. Preventing infestations through regular cleaning and sealing entry points can also help minimize pest control costs. Section 9. Appliance upkeep. From fridges to furnaces. Appliances like your refrigerator, oven, dishwasher, washing machine, dryer, and HVAC system are essential for comfortable living. However, these appliances require regular maintenance and eventual replacement. It's wise to budget for appliance maintenance and replacement costs. Regular cleaning and servicing can extend the lifespan of your appliances, while setting aside funds ensures you can replace them when necessary without financial strain. Section 10. Property management. Hands-off ownership. If you're renting out your home, consider hiring a property manager. Property managers handle tasks like finding tenants, collecting rent, and addressing maintenance issues. While property management fees are an additional expense, they can save you time and hassle. Property managers bring expertise in tenant screening, lease agreements, and local rental laws, ensuring a smoother rental experience. Section 11. Emergency Fund, your financial safety net. Unexpected expenses can arise at any time. Creating an emergency fund specifically for your home can help you cover these costs without derailing your finances. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund, including your mortgage payments, property taxes, and other essential costs. Having this financial safety net provides peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for the unexpected. Section 12. Taking control of your homeownership costs. Owning a home is a significant investment, but it doesn't have to be a financial burden. With the right strategies and a clear understanding of your financial landscape, you can turn homeownership into a rewarding experience. By understanding the annual expenses associated with homeownership, you can make informed decisions and budget effectively. This includes not just the obvious costs, but also those hidden expenses that can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. Remember to factor in all the costs, from your mortgage payments and property taxes to maintenance, utilities, and potential emergencies. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs down the line, and setting aside a contingency fund can help you handle unexpected expenses without stress. By taking a proactive approach to managing your finances and planning for the unexpected, you can enjoy the rewards of homeownership without financial stress. Regularly reviewing your budget and adjusting as needed ensures you stay on top of your financial game. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your homeownership costs empowers you to make sound financial decisions for a brighter future in your dream home. With careful planning and a proactive mindset, you can turn the dream of homeownership into a stable and enjoyable reality.